In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 products that you should stop using immediately. Most of these products are used daily in Indian homes, and to know that these products pose some serious health hazards is really disturbing. On this channel, we have discussed numerous products before, but alternatives to these 5 products have never been talked about. It's high time we talk about them, as I can assure that most of you would be using 3 out of these 5 products almost daily. We will discuss why these products are so damaging and how you can switch to healthier alternatives, which too are easily available. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 5 on the list are tomato ketchups. We Indians love eating tomato ketchups, don't we? Be it those pakoras in the evening, with aloo sandwich in breakfast, and some even enjoy parathas with it. But do you know what goes in making your favorite tomato sauces? Go through their ingredients and you will find that it has more sugar than tomatoes in it. No wonder it tastes so good. Along with the refined sugar, it has synthetic thickeners, stabilizers, and also some tomatoes here and there. Overall, a product that is good for the tongue but damaging for health. But then what should we do? Shall we start eating our favorite treats without a sauce? Not at all. So take a kadai, put in some tomatoes. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I researched and was happy to find some brands that make healthy sauces which are also delicious. For example, check out this tomato sauce by Napur. It is made from tomato pulp along with water, jaggery, rock salt, spices and vinegar. What more can you ask for? Similarly, organic tomato sauce by Orchard Lane, D-Alive sauces, Refresh Organics are some more options that do not compromise on health while preparing the sauce. There is definitely a price cap, but considering the quality of ingredients used, it's completely worth it. So throw those commercial sugar-laden sauces away and switch to healthier alternatives and enjoy the snacks guilt-free. Moving on to the next product, which is an aftershave. It is extremely important to use an aftershave, as when you shave, you often leave behind many tiny cuts that attract harmful bacteria on the surface. So a good aftershave will close the pores to prevent toxins getting in, reduces itching, and prevents the inflammation of hair follicles. But a good aftershave will never be alcohol based, and this you will rarely find in commercial aftershaves, which have 2 major ingredients: alcohol and a heavy synthetic fragrance. Where alcohol is an irritant and almost instantly dries out the skin, synthetic fragrance is something that you should never apply on your face, especially when the oils have already been stripped off after shaving. Many studies suggest that using such alcohol-based aftershaves may cause wrinkling of the skin, increasing the chances of eczema and psoriasis. So is there any healthier alternative that we can turn to? Absolutely. Since ages, we Indians have been using alum, commonly known as fitkari, as an aftershave. It is a naturally occurring stone that works even better and is much cheaper to these toxic aftershaves. Of course, most of us are used to liquid aftershaves, but it won't take you more than one shave to know how much better this is. Just a heads up, do not share it with others, obviously due to your own safety. So it's high time that you throw that aftershave out of your bathroom and switch to a natural fitkari. Number 3 on the list are commercial mouthwashes. Commercial mouthwashes are getting extremely popular. Well, they are all filled with harsh alcohols, disinfectants, antiseptics and whatnot. Since when have we started cleaning our mouth as if it is some factory equipment? But most people today can't do without them, as they prevent bad breath and promise to kill 99.9% bacteria. Well, it might sound impressive at first, but actually 99.9% germ-free mouth means that it has killed even the essential good bacteria in mouth. Yes, just like digestive system requires probiotics for smooth digestion, our mouth has friendly bacteria responsible for maintaining proper blood flow, cell energy, blood pressure, and a strong immune system. Today, numerous studies have shown that by declaring a war against all germs, we are creating an imbalance. A study published in 2013 states that popular commercial mouthwashes contain powerful antiseptics and disinfectants that can actually increase blood pressure, risk of heart attack and stroke. So if you were using them, I strongly recommend that you drain your antiseptic mouthwash down the toilet. So what about bad breath? Well, instead of wasting money on these mouthwashes, simply keep fennel seeds handy with you and chew on a few of them post meals. Not only they will prevent bad breath, but also promote digestion. As far as mouthwash for holistic oral care is concerned, Ayurveda considers oil pulling to be most effective. effective. Every morning before brushing, fill your mouth with cold pressed oil and swish it all around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. That's all your body needs, nothing fancy. Next on the list are shaving creams. Shaving cream is an intrinsic part of men's daily grooming kit. Most commercial creams, gels in the Indian market are highly toxic. We love to pamper our face with the best of the products, but then it gets a tight slab with such harsh chemicals. Since the skin on our face is much sensitive, the toxins out of these chemicals can easily penetrate through the pores. This may irritate and darken the skin in the long run. Study shows that these so-called pleasant fragrances in these commercial shaving creams are 100% synthetic, which can cause asthmatic allergies. The purpose of a shaving cream is only and only to soften the hair for a smoother shave. And did you know that even coconut oil and aloe vera gel alone can work as well? But let me give you some more practical options which form leather just as any other commercial cream, and most importantly are 100% toxin free. Shaving bars by Goli Soda SOS Organics are two good choices in the Indian market that are made from essential oils, herbal extracts along with a lye of sodium hydroxide. There are other similar products available as well, but they did not meet the mark. Surprisingly, changing to these bars will not cost you much as they last longer, costing effectively the same. Simply rub the shaving brush on them and shave just normally. But before that, throw these toxic ones in the dustbin. Finally, the number one product that you should absolutely throw away is a mosquito repellent. Do you think that using an All Out or Goodnight only kills the mosquitoes while you are perfectly immune to it? I'm sorry to break your bubble. Transflurthin and BHT are the common active ingredients used in them. Well, both have something to contribute. Where transflurthin is a well-known poison, regular exposure to which can cause serious health problems, BHT on the other hand has been recognized as one of the worst chemicals by the US Department of Health Services. I can't imagine how these are allowed to be used anywhere near humans. This makes sense why a pack of All Out has way too many warnings than a pack of cigarettes. Warnings like doors and windows should be kept open while using, avoid inhalation while using is nothing more than a joke. This is a clear example of how companies run away from the problem instead of actually solving it. So what option do we have? Of course, we can't just let them bite us. Primitively, we Indians have always used mosquito nets. Some prefer mosquito killer bats. Well, if you want just the exact experience without any health issues, then simply replace them with natural ones. Campure and Novosynth are two good options in the Indian market. These are pine oil based natural mosquito repellents and are also safe for kids. There are others as well which fail to mention the complete list of ingredients. And what's best is that even price wise they are quite competitive. Definitely worth a switch. So these were those 5 products that I firmly believe you should stop using immediately and switch to safer, healthier alternatives that I have linked down in the description box. I want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. No brand has paid me, nor am I with or against any brand. I'm just like you, a consumer looking to buy safe products for me and my family. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are looking for a good toner for your skin, Wow Skin Science Lavender and Rose Skin Mist Toner is one safe option available in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will find no alcohol, no parabens or any other harsh chemicals. It is a rose and lavender water based skin toner which is suitable for all skin types. You can use Wow Skin Science this toner for removing makeup, hydrating the skin, cleaning it and soothing the sunburns. This vegan, cruelty-free and dermatologically tested skin toner is for both men and women and can be used daily. To buy Wow Skin Science Lavender and Rose Skin Mist Toner, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I almost every Saturday at 11 AM do a Q&A session. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.